Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting math quest. Alright, let's start dividing 356 by 2. First, we look at the first digit, which is 3. We're going to use the digit 3 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2, let's write that down. Now subtract 2 from 3, we get 1 left over. You're doing awesome, we've got this. We have a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next digit 5 to make 15. Great job with the first step, now we have 15 to work with. We bring down the 5 and now we have 15, look at that. How many times does 2 go into 15? It's 7 times. Let's check 7 times 2 is 14. Write down 14 below 15. Subtract 14 from 15, what do we get? 1. Woohoo, you're a math superstar. We have 1 left, time to bring down the last digit 6 to make 16. Last step, here we go, we have 16 to divide by 2. We brought down the 6 and now we have 16, we're almost there. How many times can 2 fit into 16? You got it, 8 times. Let's see, 8 times 2 is exactly 16, perfect. Subtract 16 from 16, that leaves us with 0, no remainder. Amazing work, you crushed it. We've divided all the digits, the final answer is 178, high five. We found that 356 divided by 2 equals 178. Great job, we successfully divided 356 by 2 using the steps of long division. Remember, every problem is a chance to practice and become a math whiz. Keep exploring and learning with us at Let's Stud. Your next math adventure awaits.